Hi, everyone. So one of the biggest questions I'm getting lately is how to insert audio and or video into Google Docs, slides, forms, or sheets. I'm going to create a playlist in YouTube of short tutorials on how to do this. I want to start by directing you to the Margaretta Ed Tech website. If you scroll down to the page Remote Learning for Teachers and scroll down to Google Suite, it will take you to a page with short tutorials and tips for all the items that we have available to us in Google Suite. I worked really hard over the past week to update this page. You'll see items for your web browser, Google Meet, Gmail and Forms, Google Docs, Google Sites, Calendar, Drawings, Drive, and at the bottom, Google Slides. There's some really great tutorials in here on how you can use Google Slides. There are two websites posted, Slides Carnival and Slides Mania, if you're looking for a little more exciting themes when you're creating Google Slides this year. And then underneath that are some of the tools I'm going to talk about in this little series. So how to add audio and video to Google Slides using Habla Cloud, Voice Recorder, Record to Slides, and Vocaroo. I'm going to start by showing you how to use Habla Cloud. When you click on this link, it redirects you to the Habla Cloud website. Habla Cloud is a Chrome web app only available on Chromebooks. When you scroll down, you'll see a button that says download the Chrome MP3 recorder. It will take you to the Chrome Web Store and of course walk you through all the permissions. In the upper right-hand corner, click Add to Chrome and choose Add the App. It is an app, not an extension, so you won't find it in the upper right-hand corner. Instead, you come down to the lower left-hand corner to the app launcher. You'll see your most recent apps down here, but also click the up arrow to see all of them. If you've never explored this area before, I encourage you to do so. These are all of the apps that are associated with your Chrome account on this Chromebook. If you find it right down here at the bottom, you can either click it or you can drag down to the toolbar and drop and paste it. This is something I highly recommend you do with the students for the most frequently used apps that they will access throughout this school year. So once again, it's as simple as click, drag, and release. Once you've accessed that Habla Cloud app, you can come to any Google slide. So this is just an example of a virtual classroom that I borrowed from another teacher. Click the Habla Cloud app, choose record. This is a test recording for the Habla Cloud app. Click stop. And a little icon of a speaker will be saved to your Google Drive. I would recommend before starting to make your audio files, go into your Google Drive and create a folder specifically for audio files. That way they're all in the same place. So when I go to my drive, I can scroll down, find my audio files folder. I can rename this if I'd like. Click save, and I'm done. Now in the toolbar, go to Insert, Audio, find your Drive folder. It already pulled up all of my MP3 files. Click your file, choose Select, and a little speaker icon is automatically inserted into your slide. On the right-hand side is a toolbar that you can use to adjust the settings for this icon. You can choose to have it play on click or automatically for students. You can choose the audio to loop. There's some other options down here as well. Recolor might be something you're interested in. Instead of just having a gray speaker, you can scroll down and pick something that's maybe a little bit easier for the students to see. Drop shadow is one that I enjoy using a lot. You can pick a little shadow to go around it. Decide on the transparency, like maybe you want it to be really bright blue, and then give it a little distance. So when you can see this little speaker, now there's a yellow speaker with a little blue kind of halo behind it. Just gives it a little bit more of a standout look. Drag it around and you're finished. Students can click on it, choose a little play button. This is a test recording for the Habla Cloud app. And they're done. Hope this is helpful.